Hi everyone. Today's video is a little special because, drumroll please, I am going to Lake Como, Italy next week. My trip is in 7 days and I'm very excited to share with you all this whole process of me packing and getting everything prepared. I've been saving and planning for a very long time, and it's finally come. I'm going with some good family friends. We have a lot of great things planned for this trip, so let's just get into the video. So I am on Pinterest right now, and I'm just trying to figure out what I can start with first. I'm going to start off with this sweater. What I'm going to do on Pinterest is I'm going to search up cashmere sweater outfit women, and just look at the different outfits that they have. Compare these jeans with this sweater to kind of copy the outfit look. I feel like it's close enough. I like this. So definitely outfit 1 is done. That was a lot faster than I expected that to go, but outfit 1 is done. Okay, so I'm going to pair something in my closet with this tank top, this like ribbed tank top. I have a lot of different blouses, so I'm trying to see what I would pair it with. Okay, do you guys see the vision? Do you see it? For this, I could go with this blazer, or I could go with this button up top that I have right here. I could pair it with this and then the pants. Actually, yeah, let me see. Let me see which one I like better. Okay, I think I like this pair better together with these pants. Let me lay it out on my bed. This is how the fit looks. I feel like that's a really cute outfit. So outfit number 2 is complete, y'all. So let's move on to the next outfit, please. I feel like I can pair this blazer with this black bodysuit. This looks really cute and elegant. This can definitely be worn for like a night out. Now I just need to find pants to go with it. Now, I feel like I'm going to dig a little bit more in my drawers for some pants to go with this. So, I think I'm going to pair these black pants with this outfit. I feel like this is really cute. I'm going to see what I can pair with this like flouncy brown shirt. Now I just need to find the pants to go with it, and I think I want jeans to go with it, and I think I know the perfect jeans to go with this fit. I have these really cute flare jeans that have splits at the sides. These platform shoes are very comfortable, so I was thinking that I could wear these really cute platform shoes with this outfit and wear some nice warm socks with it so that I can be cute but also stay warm. So this is the outfit. Outfit number 4. I feel like it's really cute. And yeah, outfit number 4 is complete. Now I have this white t-shirt that I showed you guys earlier, and I feel like it will go perfect with these green jeans. I feel like it could either be used for dinner or going out. It's very neutral. Very cute. So I believe this is outfit number outfit number 4? Yeah, outfit number 4. Let's go with that. Actually, no. 5 outfits. I'm sorry, I'm counting wrong. 5 outfits, okay? I was told that it's important to bring comfortable shoes with you while on this trip, So they're a little dirty right now, but I'm going to force my brother to clean these for me. So I want to make sure that I'm comfortable at all times, especially if I'm touring or if I'm walking around, exploring the area, different things like that. So these are going to be my go-to sneakers. I think I'm just going to stick to these Mary Jane platforms right here for my dress shoes, for my dress outfits. I really don't want to pack too many shoes. So really the only 2 shoes I'm going to be bringing with me that I feel like can match with all of my outfits are my sneakers and my Mary Janes. I also have these like shadow Air Forces that have like different colors in them. I know I can color coordinate with these with at least 2 or 3 of my outfits. Yeah, so I guess now since outfits are done, we can start putting together the things that I need for my personal bag and also body care items as well. So let's get into that. I got a few other little things from Five Below and Shein. So from Five Below, I got these really cute earring cuffs, and I also got some bracelets from Five Below. Five Below has a lot of really nice stuff. It lasts me a very long time, and they're all very cute. And I got these really cute rings. One is like cherry, butterfly, one says love, one has a heart on it, and a little mushroom. I got these other silver earrings. They're really like sturdy feeling, and they're like really cute and stylish. I got this tinted hydrator. I feel like I want to use it as a concealer, but also use it on some days where I'm not really feeling like wearing full on makeup. Then I would go with this. And then I got these hydrogel under eye masks. I'm going to use them on my way to Italy and also during my trip as well to sort of refresh my face. And I also got these facial masks as well, these vitamin C facial masks to use on the plane and also while I'm in Italy. And then I got this blotting paper because my face is oily, very oily, especially in this area right here. So I thought, why not finally get some blotting paper to absorb all that oil that be up in my face. I bought 2 of these like perfume dispensers for traveling. All you have to do is take your perfume, pop off this top right here that comes on the perfume, and then you see that little hole right there? Put it on top of your perfume and it fills it up. Perfect. And you don't have to worry about it getting thrown out. It's very small and compactable, perfect for traveling. And then I got this detangling brush from Five Below as well. My hair is going to be straightened for this trip. Since it's going to be cold in Italy, my hair shouldn't frizz up or anything like that. I hope not. And I'm hoping it doesn't rain either. And then I bought Clorox disinfecting wipes to put in my personal bag because COVID still exists. Germs exist. So, and I really don't want to get sick on this trip. So I feel like it's very important to keep sanitizing wipes on you. I also bought sanitizer with this little thing on it that I can attach to my bag and use at any time of the trip. And I also bought like this little to-go. It's so cute. It's so cute. I also bought this little to-go Lysol disinfectant spray to also use to like spray down maybe my seat on the airplane, door handles, whatever the case may be. I also bought these Burt's Bees purifying facial towelette. I thought this was a good thing to have. I got this folding toothbrush. I also got, this is from Shein. I got these little traveler personal item containers right here for like lotion, shampoos, lip balm. From Ross, I got this travel neck pillow. And I also got this little pill dispenser for like vitamins. I'm definitely bringing vitamin C too to keep my immune system built up, and probiotics as well. And this is what I'm going to use to pack those things. From Amazon, I got this European travel adapter. When you travel to other countries, not all of the electrical sockets are the same or work the same way. So I bought an adapter so that I can be able to charge my electronic devices. I also bought these cute hair clips from Ross as well. And I also got these JBL headphones. They're only 30 bucks. I got them from Ross. They sound great. They're practically noise canceling. And yeah, they're perfect. I bought this power bank to charge my phone with. I also bought these packing cubes. A drawstring bag, a little makeup bag, zip makeup bag. And then I also bought this extra makeup bag that's super big and it closes up so small. And there's all kinds of different compartments that I can use for my makeup and makeup brushes and things like that. This is my personal bag. I'm definitely gonna pack all my electronics and other little things in here. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later. I've got most of everything packed in all of these bags. I've got all my body care items in this bag. I've got pajama pants in this one. I've got hair items, some hair and face items in this one. I've got other personal items. Some pajama shirts. I got my shoes, my dress pants, my dresses, and some of my other boxes underneath all this. Okay, so hair is done. Nails are done. Today has been a very, very long day, but I got a lot of things done. All that's left to do is wait until tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. You'll be getting a vlog from me of my entire trip of Italy, everywhere we went, everywhere we visited. I hope you guys enjoyed this packing / prepping with me for my vacation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your favorite part of the video or what you like best about my packing expertise. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.